Welcome to the Center of Excellence. In this short video, you're going to see some testing we're doing with a device called the MTT 154. The MTT is a remotely controlled device that can carry about 400 pounds on itself and about 1,000 pounds in the trailer. We're looking at it for remote supplying of firefighters. This device is radio controlled, but we're also working with a company that is making it autonomous, so self-driving. What you're going to see today is some pretty moderate terrain. We have a second video with more extreme terrain that you can look at as well. The slope here that it's climbing is about a 50% slope, about 2 to 1. I think the interesting point is that it's actually quite muddy on the day we were out testing this, and it doesn't seem to be having any trouble with that. Here we're seeing the MTT go down a little bit of a side slope with a little snow. This is not deep snow, it's just a couple inches. But it does show it negotiating a side slope pretty easily. It's going to go down across the creek and then up the other side. This is not extreme terrain. You could do this in a UTV, at least a smaller one. Although in the muddy conditions we had the day we were doing this testing, you probably would have been leaving quite a lot more tracks than the MTT is doing. The ground force on this seems quite light. The MTT is a single track device, and it steers by using a device that moves the trailer and back, kind of like a rudder or tiller on a boat. So it swings the trailer left and right, and that causes it to turn. One of the side effects of that is it actually drives better if it's got some weight in the trailer. If the trailer is unloaded, then on soft or slippery terrain, it doesn't steer quite as well as if it has a load in it. Again, going across the little creek and then back up the side hill. We'll have a second video which shows much more extreme conditions. Actually also shows what happens when the MTT falls over.